Welcome to the Bunny Bear Show.
Boy, I'm so excited! A chance to actually talk to my all-time scientific idol, Professor Sigmund Kurtzen Dusseldorfer, who's taking calls on that radio talk show. Oh, I just hope I don't wind up getting that. Oh, darn, whenever I get nervous, I sometimes wind up getting all those. Hi, Harry. What's up? I seem to have gotten a case of... Well, you know what they say about hearing the... No? What? What the heck did you do that for? Well, that's what they say about hearing the hiccups. There's nothing like a good shock. And hey, it seems to have actually worked. You were... saying? Plan B time. Well, you know what they say about hearing the... ups? No. What? We've already tried that. Oh, sorry. No problem. You may have already tried it, but this time, thanks to moi... it seems to have actually worked. Yay! You worked it. Same.
I got the hiccups in the morning. I got the hiccups at night. Here comes another. And yet another. Tell me not to stop this type. Why do I hiccup in the morning? Why do I hiccup at night? Don't know what does it. Wish I could stop it. Hiccups in me outside. I try to hold my back forever. I try to wash the hiccups down. I even tried to scare myself. I stop that hiccup sound.
Plan C time.
Something tells me we're going to be going through a good chunk of the alphabet before we're through.
Okay, plan A. Hold your breath.
Okay, plan J. Distract the hiccuper from hiccuping by having them perform a complex activity.
I'm ridiculous. All that matters is results, Gummy. Calla, why are you and I standing on our heads too?
Standing on your head can stop hiccuping.
But we're not hiccuping.
Exactly my point.
I think there's a minor flaw in your logic since Gummy's the one who's been hiccuping.
And in case you haven't noticed, he's suddenly not hiccuping either. I tell you, Granny Peters, Harry and I are at our wits' end. Every attack, no matter how brilliant, has failed.
Have you tried hypnotism?
Hypnotism's just a party trick.
It doesn't work.
You do not have hiccups. You do not have hiccups.
I do not have hiccups. I do not have hiccups.
Like I was saying, Granny Peters, hypnotism just doesn't work.
Well, I think it does. At least, sometimes.
Okay, we're at plan W and still no solution in sight. We tried shots, we tried holding our breath, we tried weird actions, distractions, and even hypnotism. What do you think, Granny Peters? We're not done again. It just dawned on me. We haven't tried.
That was plan X. We're running out of alphabet.
Those hicks are driving me crazy. We've got to find a solution. What do you think, Granny Peters? Wait, I got another great idea.
Oh, another one?
We still haven't tried. Okay, the perfect way to cure you know what is with a good old-fashioned tongue twister. Now, Gummy, say this after me. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Unless
Since they've invented a new alphabet, we've only got 2 more chances left.
We can do it! Those hits will not emerge victorious! You still haven't told us what you think, Granny Peters!
Oh, I actually can't think of anything. Other than, of course, you know what they say about curing the ups.
We already tried that.
Well, sorry.
Yeah, we already tried it, but it didn't work.
Are you sure?
Well, sure, I'm sure. Because every time we tried before, the one with the hiccups still ended up having the hiccups.
It worked! On second thought, maybe that yay was the tiniest bit premature. Still, I guess there's some small comfort to knowing that things can't get much worse.
Why is the phrase total disaster suddenly springing to mind?
Actually, Harry, you might be wrong.
You know a phrase that means something worse than total disaster?
No, I mean maybe we're just looking at this whole hiccups thing wrong. Maybe it might not be so bad. Just listen. Welcome to the Burger Show.
Boy, I'm so excited! A chance to actually talk to my all-time scientific idol, Professor Sigmund Kurtz in Dusseldorfenberg, who's taking calls on that radio talk show. Oh, I just hope I don't wind up getting that. Oh, darn, whenever I get nervous, I sometimes wind up getting all those.
Hi, Harry. What's up?
I seem to have gotten a case of...
Well, you know what they say about curing the...
No? What? What the heck did you do that for?
Well, that's what they say about curing the hiccups.